Hello everyone. In this video, we are looking at the biography of Ramchandra Guha. He is a historian, writer, environmentalist, columnist, educator, socialist, and cricket writer. Now, let's know him in more detailed way. Starting with his early life, we see Ramchandra Guha was born on 29 April 1958 at Dehradun, which is now in Uttarakhand, in a Tamil Brahmin family. He was brought up in Dehradun because his father, Subramaniam Ramdas Guha, worked at the Forest Research Institute and his mother was a high school teacher. So he grew up in Dehradun on the Forest Research Institute campus. Next, education. His educational profile tells that he studied at Cambrian Hall and the Doon School. While at Doon School, he contributed towards newspaper called the Doon School Weekly and edited a publication called History Times along with Amitav Ghosh. Then, from the St. Stephen's College, he graduated with a bachelor's degree in economics in the year 1977. Then, he completed his master's in economics from the Delhi School of Economics. He then abandoned economics and took interest in sociology. For this, he enrolled at the Indian Institute of Management in Calcutta and did a PhD on the social history of forestry in Uttarakhand, mainly focusing on the Chipko movement. His thesis was later published as The Unquiet Woods. Now, in his personal life, we see Ramchandra Guha is married to Sujata Keshavan, who is a graphic designer, and they both together have two children. Their son, Keshava Guha, became a fiction author with the release of Accidental Magic at the 2019 Bangalore Literature Festival. Now, let's see about his career. Ramchandra Guha worked at various academic positions in India, Europe, and North America between 1985 to 1995. Then, between 1997 and 1998, he was a visiting professor at the University of California, Berkeley, and Indo-American Community Chair. Then he has also taught at University of Oslo, Yale University, Indian Institute of Science and Stanford University. Then he was a senior associate member at the St. Anthony's College, Oxford. Also, he was senior fellow at Nehru Memorial Museum and Library, New Delhi, and was a fellow of Vincenz Taft College Zoo, Berlin in Germany. Next, in the academic year 2011 and 12, he was the Roman Professor of History and International Affairs at London School of Economics. Now, about his writings. Since his first work began in mid-1980s, Ramchandra Guha has completed a number of books that deals with social and environmental concerns of native India, and his writings cover a wide range of themes. In the mid-90s, he moved to Bangalore and his writing career began with his first book called The Unquiet Woods, Ecological Change and Peasant Resistance in Himalaya, which was published in 1989. Then, in 1992, he published Wickets in East, an anecdotal history, and along with Madhav Gadgil in the same year published The Fissured Land, an ecological history of India. Next, in 1994, he wrote Sociology and Dilemma of Development. Again, in 1995, along with Madhav Gadgil, he wrote Ecology and Equity, the Use and Abuse of Nature in Contemporary India. And along with David Arnold, wrote Nature, Culture, Imperialism, essay on the environmental history of South Asia. Then, in 1997, along with J. Martinez Allier, he published Varieties of Environmentalism, essay North and South. Then, in 1999, he wrote Savaging the Civilized, Warrior Elwin, His Tribal and India. This book is about life of anthropologist and activist Warrior Elwin. This book was called as the best biography by an Indian for many years by Times Literary Supplement. Then, in 2000, he edited Nature's Spokesman, M. Krishnan and Indian Wildlife. And in the same year, he wrote Environmentalism, A Global History. Then, he also published The Other Side of the Raj, Western Contributions to India's Freedom. Next, in the year 2002, he wrote an award-winning social history of cricket called A Corner of Foreign Field. This book was chosen by Guardian as one of the 10 best books on cricket ever written. Then, in 2004, he wrote The Last Liberal and Other Essays. Following this, he wrote States of Indian Cricket, Anecdotal History in 2005. Then, in 2007, he wrote his most famous book called India After Gandhi, The History of World's Largest Democracy. This book was widely discussed and was also award-winning History of India since independence. It was translated into Hindi in 2 volumes as Bharat Gandhi ke baad and Bharat Nehru ke baad. Then, Ramchandra also published a collection of essays titled Patriots and Partisans in November 2012. Then, in 2013, his book Gandhi Before India focuses on Mahatma Gandhi's childhood, the years in South Africa. Another collection of essays under the title Democrats and Dissenters was released in September 2016. Thus, Ramchandra Guha has authored books on a diverse range of subjects including cricket, environment, politics, history, and so on. In 2018, he published Gandhi, The Years That Changed the World, 1940 to 1948. This is the sequel to his book Gandhi Before India. So, just remember the unquiet words, Savaging the Civilized, A Corner of Foreign Field, India After Gandhi, and India Before Gandhi are his most important work. Now, apart from his scholarly work, Ramchandra Guha writes regularly on social and political issues for general public. Between 1997 to 2009, he wrote a fortnightly for The Hindu, India's national newspaper. He now writes a fortnightly in the Telegraphy, which appears in translation in other Indian newspapers also. Now, Ramchandra Guha's awards include the Leopard Hardy Prize of the American Society of Environmental History for Prehistory of Community Forestry in India. His A Corner of Foreign Field was awarded the Daily Telegraph Cricket Society Book of the Year Prize for 2002. Also, the Malcolm Adishesh Award for Excellence in Social Science Research and the Ramnath Goenka Prize for Excellence in Journalism. In 2003, he won R.K. Narayan Prize at Chennai Book Fair. In 2009, he was awarded the Padma Bhushan. Other than that, he has received countless awards that honor and appreciate his work, including the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2011 for his book India After Gandhi. In 2014, he was also given an honorary doctorate in humanities by Yale University. Then, in 2015, the Fukuoka Asian Cultural Prize was conferred on him for contribution to Asian studies. Next, the American Historical Association has conferred its honorary foreign member prize for the year 2019 on Ramchandra Guha. In the end, we see that, in terms of personal beliefs, Ramchandra Guha fashioned himself as left Marxist. In fact, most of his degrees and formal beliefs are now just defunct descriptors. Earlier, he was also known as environmentalist and an activist due to his larger number of essays that focus on environmental crusade. However, he does not like the description. He writes about the area that he believes in and about the changes that would help the ecology as well as social impacts of such measures. Most of his essays adopt a no-nonsense approach and portray a realistic and pragmatic view of the issue at the hand, without shying away from what may be considered as unpopular or controversial approach. He has given various speeches on political issues that are publicly available and has given various interviews talking about his viewpoints and life experiences. His work can be found on his website, which include sections on political and current affairs, culture, biography, and section on longer essays that contains work on all topics which are more than 500 words. So you can visit his website at ramchandraguha.in. So that's it for this video. See you next time. If you like my video and wish to support me, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.